Good afternoon to all of you. I am Ashish Nema. In today's class, I am going to deliver you lecture on the topic signal to noise ratio. Signal to noise ratio is basically comparison at the point in which we seen the value of noise at the present signal. Hence, signal to noise ratio is comparison at the same point is important to ensure that noise at that point is not extensively large. Here we can see that on comparison between noise and signal, we ensure that the value of noise is not extensively large. So it is very important parameter to identify the value of noise in the present signal. Here we can define signal to noise ratio by simple definition. Signal to noise ratio is defined as ratio of signal power to noise power at same point. Here signal to noise ratio, it is basically ratio of signal power to the noise power. It is denoted as PS upon Pn. Now we can define signal to noise ratio in terms of dB. Signal to noise ratio is expressed in dB by S by n. dB is equal to 10 log 10 PS upon Pn. Here PS is signal power and Pn is noise power. So S upon n dB is equal to 10 log 10 PS upon Pn. Now we expressed power in terms of voltage. We know that the power is denoted by V square upon R. Hence PS is V square upon R and our noise power is expressed as Vn square upon R. Now we can put the value of these two powers in S upon n equation number in this equation. Then we get S upon n in dB is equal to 10 log 10 Vs square upon Vn square. Now 10 log 10 Vs upon Vn का whole square, we can remove the square power and we get signal to noise ratio equation as in terms of dB. S upon n dB is equal to 20 log 10 Vs upon Vn. Here Vs is signal voltage and Vn is noise voltage. Higher the value of signal to noise ratio is better is in system performance in presence of noise. The higher value of signal to noise ratio is beneficial of system. It mainly used to represent the performance of the noise. If you have any query, then you can message me. I am waiting for your valuable suggestion. Thank you.